Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw horror Pinki from Incredibox Sprunki. So first we're going to get started by drawing in our eyes coming up on a diagonal towards the top right. So starting with our left eye, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. And then we're going to come up on a diagonal, replicating that, drawing in another circle for our right eye. Now in the middle, slightly over towards the right, we're going to draw in another circle for the pupil of the eye. And then coming up on a diagonal towards the right, let's replicate that. Now let's draw in the mouth. So on the top here, we're going to curve this line down, in, and then back up on the right. On the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line down. And then on the right-hand side, we're just going to curve this line down, ending this so it's on a diagonal. Now from here, we're going to bring this diagonal line in towards the middle. And then we're going to bring another diagonal line that comes down. From here, drawing a small diagonal line in towards the bottom, and then back up on the right. And then we'll connect that with another straight line coming down. Now for the teeth on the bottom, we're going to curve two lines that come up towards the top. And then we're going to close those off with a straight line. On the top right, we're going to curve two more lines that come down, and then closing that off with a diagonal line. And we're just going to replicate this as we come in towards the top right. Now let's draw in the nostrils in the center. So we're going to start on the left-hand side with our left nostril, drawing in a small diagonal line. To the left, we're going to bring this line down, and then we're going to close this off on the bottom. To the right again, leaving a small gap, another diagonal line. On the top, curving this further out towards our right eye. And then again, just closing this off on the bottom. Now let's draw in the zigzag pattern around the eye. So on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line out and then back in. To the left of this, we're going to curve this line out and then back down on the top. To the left, we're going to curve this line out, bringing that line back in. And then again from here, a small diagonal line that comes out and then curving this up. Now from here, we're going to bring this line down towards our left eye. And then from the corner, we're just going to curve this line out and then back down. Again, from here, we're going to bring this diagonal line further up and then out. And then again, bringing this even further up and then back down. Now from here in the corner, a diagonal line that comes out on the right, and then from that point, bringing that down. We'll do the same thing on the right, bringing this diagonal line out and then back in. Underneath, bringing that down and then in. And then one last time, just drawing this diagonal line coming down towards the bottom and then across, joining that together. Moving up, let's draw the bow in the middle. So underneath here, we're going to start by drawing in a circle in the center. On the top, we're going to curve this line out and then in. And then starting underneath, we're going to curve this line out and then back in. On the bottom, curving this down and then drawing our diagonal line in towards the center of our circle. Now we're going to close off the shape of the head. So we're going to start by drawing a nice big circle. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then down on the side. On the right, coming underneath, we're just going to curve this line around and then in. And then now we're just going to close this off by connecting this together. So we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in towards the top. For the right ear, we're going to arch this line all the way up, bringing that down on the right. And then we'll move over on the left, making sure we end this at the same height, just bringing this line further up, bringing that out, and then down on the side. Now for the body, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on both sides, ending those at the same height. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a straight line from left to right. And that is it. That's how you draw Horror Pinki from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.